In today's quick guide, we're showcasing a nifty feature of our software, the dual-direction step range for reinforcement. Efficient, precise, and incredibly versatile. Let's jump right in and see how it transforms your workflow. To begin, an outline has been created to facilitate our example. Start by adding 2 shapecode 38 bars on the side view to represent the start and end of our step range. Precision in placement isn't necessary at this stage. We'll adjust their location in a moment. Proceed by activating the stepped range command from the ribbon. The command will request a spacing value. Input this, then select the first bar, followed by the second, to establish our stepping sequence. Next, determine the start and end points for the range, and finally, designate a position for the leader. With the initial steps completed, it's time to refine our visuals. Currently, the display shows only the stepping bar, which adjusts according to the step range. Let's adjust the bar style settings to ensure both the start and the end bars are visible for complete clarity. This will give us a comprehensive view of our entire step range sequence. With our bar style now correctly displaying both the start and end bars, it's time to position them accurately. First, we can see that having 5 bars won't work as well, so I am only going to add 4 bars, so let me adjust my range line to only have 4 bars. Next, move the bars to align with the beginning and the end of our range line. Once in place, we'll adjust the length of each bar to fit perfectly between the lines, incorporating a 50mm cover. Also, let us adjust one of the sides of the shapecode 38 to range from 300mm to 1000mm. Moving forward, we'll replicate the bar we've just configured by copying it to the section view. Once in place, it's essential to adjust the angle and the bar view to ensure it fits seamlessly within the section view's perspective. After these adjustments, we'll proceed to position the bar precisely in its intended location. This involves fine-tuning the B dimension for both the start and the end bars. With our bars correctly positioned and adjusted, it's time to visualize the full scope of our work. First, I am going to turn on single bar view again, and also let's enable the plot all function. This will allow us to see all the bars within our step range, providing a comprehensive overview of the reinforcement layout. Now take a look as I open the schedule palette. As you can see, we have errors on our bars. This is due to having 2 bars with different B dimensions. To fix this, we can call the match bar function and select the range where we fixed the B dimension. This will update all the corresponding bars in the drawing. Also, let us turn on the scheduling on our bar. Here you can clearly observe the stepping sequence of our bar. Each increment is displayed, confirming that our bar is stepping correctly within the defined range. We hope this demonstration has provided you with a clear understanding of the stepped range in 2 directions feature. For more information and further updates, keep an eye on our channel. Thank you for choosing AddoSOFT. We're dedicated to enhancing your CAD experience and value your trust in our solutions. Have a great day.